Today, we are talking about one of the most searched and most misunderstood questions in the stock market. What are the best stocks you can buy under $25? Many people think cheap stocks mean low quality, but that is absolutely not true. Some of the most explosive growth opportunities start under $25. And if you know how to look for the right companies, this price range can become your personal wealth-building zone. So, in this video, I'm going to break down several powerful stocks trading under $25, explain what each company does, why investors are watching them closely, the growth story behind them, and how they could fit into your long-term portfolio. Make sure you watch till the end because the last stock on this list is one of the most interesting turnaround opportunities right now. Let's start with SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SoFi. This company is changing the way young people manage money. SoFi is not just a bank, it's an entire financial ecosystem. They offer personal loans, student loan refinancing, investing, crypto, credit cards, checking accounts, and even insurance. What makes SoFi special is that it attracts high-income young professionals who stay inside the platform for years. As interest rates stabilize, SoFi's lending business becomes far more profitable, and the company has already reached consistent profitability on an adjusted basis. Their revenue continues to grow quarter after quarter, and user growth remains strong. At under $25, SoFi represents a long-term fintech growth story that could easily double over the next few years as financial services continue moving digital. Next is Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Palantir is one of the most misunderstood companies on the market. They specialize in data analytics and artificial intelligence for governments, defense, and now commercial businesses. Their software helps organizations detect patterns, predict outcomes, and make high-stakes decisions using massive data sets. As AI becomes more central to how governments and corporations operate, Palantir's technology becomes more valuable. The company has already reached profitability and continues expanding its customer base. Many investors consider Palantir a core AI infrastructure company, and at under $25, it's still early in its long-term growth cycle. Another powerful opportunity is NIO, ticker NIO. This is one of China's largest electric vehicle companies. While the EV sector has faced volatility, NIO is still delivering vehicles, expanding battery swap infrastructure, and growing brand recognition. China remains the largest EV market in the world, and NIO's premium positioning gives it long-term potential as adoption continues to rise. The stock has been heavily beaten down, which creates opportunity for patient investors who believe in the EV future and China's consumer growth. Now let's talk about DraftKings, ticker DKNG. DraftKings dominates the online sports betting and iGaming space in the U.S. as more states legalize sports betting. DraftKings continues to expand its addressable market. The company's revenue keeps growing at impressive rates and profitability is improving each quarter. Sports betting is not a fad, it's a structural change in entertainment, and DraftKings is positioned as one of the industry leaders. At under $25, it gives exposure to one of the fastest-growing consumer sectors in America. Another interesting stock is Rocket Lab, ticker RKLB. This company is building the future of space infrastructure. They design and launch small satellites, develop spacecraft components, and are expanding into defense and national security contracts. As satellite deployment increases for communications, surveillance, and scientific research, Rocket Lab services become more valuable. Space is no longer science fiction, it's a serious business sector, and Rocket Lab is one of the few publicly traded pure-play opportunities in this field. Let's also look at Unity Software. Ticker Unity provides the real-time 3D engine used in video games, virtual reality, augmented reality, film production, architecture, and more. As the metaverse, gaming, and immersive experiences continue expanding, Unity sits at the center of that ecosystem. While the company has faced challenges recently, it still owns one of the most important platforms in interactive content creation. For long-term investors, this could be a strong recovery and growth story at today's depressed price levels. Another stock under $25 with strong upside is Ford. Ticker F. Ford is not just an old auto company, it's transforming itself into a major EV and mobility player. With the success of the F-150 Lightning, Mustang Mach-E, and heavy investments in AV production, Ford is positioning itself for the future of transportation. At the same time, it still generates massive cash flow from its traditional vehicle business. This combination of stability and innovation makes Ford attractive for investors seeking both income and growth potential. Now for one of the most exciting turnaround opportunities: PayPal. Ticker PYPL. Once seen as a slow legacy fintech, PayPal is reinventing itself. With new leadership, aggressive cost restructuring, and renewed focus on core payments innovation, PayPal is positioning itself for renewed growth. It remains one of the largest online payment networks in the world, with hundreds of millions of active users. As digital commerce continues expanding globally, PayPal's network effect becomes increasingly powerful. At under $25, this stock offers a rare chance to buy a dominant fintech platform at a massive discount from its previous highs. Here's the key takeaway. Stocks under $25 are not cheap, they are accessible. They allow everyday investors to build diversified portfolios, compound over time, and participate in major global trends like artificial intelligence, fintech, electric vehicles, space technology, digital entertainment, and online commerce. The real wealth is built by owning great businesses before everyone else fully realizes their potential. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which stock you believe has the biggest upside over the next 5 years. Remember, investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start building your future today.